If you're experiencing FPS drops in Minecraft, there are several adjustments you can make to improve performance. Follow these steps to enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Adjust video settings. Go to the Minecraft options menu and navigate to the video settings. Lower the render distance, turn off fancy graphics, and set the graphics to fast. These changes can significantly reduce the load on your system. Step 2. Allocate more RAM. Open the Minecraft launcher and go to the Installations tab. Select your profile, click on More Options, and increase the amount of RAM allocated to Minecraft. Aim for at least 4 GB if your system allows it, as this can help improve performance. Step 3. Install performance mods. Consider installing mods like Optifine or Sodium, which are designed to enhance performance. These mods offer additional settings and optimizations that can help boost FPS and improve overall gameplay. Step 4. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer and download the latest drivers. Updated drivers can improve performance and fix bugs that may be causing FPS drops. Step 5. Close background applications. Before launching Minecraft, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources and can lead to a smoother gaming experience. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your Minecraft FPS. Enjoy your enhanced gameplay.